Welcome to Meesho Supplier Plus program for new suppliers. Meesho Supplier Plus is an initiative that aims to help your online business grow quicker right from the start. With the new program, you get the tools and assistance you need to become a successful business on Meesho. With Meesho Supplier Plus, you get a range of benefits that you can avail, including a free catalog visibility boost within your first 30 days. Let's dive into the details of each benefit. 1. Earn a free catalog visibility boost of up to 1200 rupees. Unlock your free catalog visibility boost of rupees 1200 by uploading 7 catalogs in your first 15 days. Once done, your free catalog visibility boost is unlocked and ready to use. When you advertise your catalogs on Meesho, they show on top slots to customers across the app. This will help you in getting more orders. To run an advertisement on Meesho, you need to set up an advertisement campaign with a certain budget. To create your advertisement campaign, visit the Advertisement tab and click on Create Campaign. Enter a unique campaign name. Select the catalogs you want to advertise. Edit the cost per click for each catalog to rank your catalogs higher on the app. Set a daily or total budget for your campaign. Choose how long you want to run the ad campaign for and click Continue to submit. Once you click Continue to submit, you will land on a summary page. Verify the details you filled out before submitting the ad campaign. Click on Submit and your ad will go live across Meesho. Normally, the cost of advertisements on Meesho is chargeable to you and is deducted from your order payments. But as a privileged member of Meesho Supplier Plus program, your first 1200 rupees of advertising on Meesho is for free. Do note, your free catalog visibility boost of 1200 rupees expires after 30 days from the day you registered on Meesho. 2. Get help from a dedicated catalog manager. Understanding a new platform is not easy. That's why we have taken the steps to make your transition into Meesho as simple as possible. With a dedicated catalog manager, get in touch with your catalog manager and they will teach you how exactly to upload a catalog, train you on how to quality check errors, clear all your cataloging queries, upload catalogs for you in the case you need a little more time to learn the process but want to start selling immediately, and much more. To request for a callback from your dedicated catalog manager, following these simple steps, log into the supplier panel and click on the Support tab. Click View All under Cataloging and Pricing and select an issue you require assistance with. Click on a Request Callback from your catalog manager and schedule a time that suits you. Describe the issue you have in brief and click on the Request Callback button. Your catalog manager shall call you in the next 24 hours and discuss all your doubts. 3. Send out orders worry-free with free return shipping. While getting used to selling online, order returns are something that might occur but need not worry you. We have waived off all return shipping charges in your first 30 days. Now, your entire margin is yours. No problem even if you get returns. 4. Learn with no tension because we have no order cancellation charges. If you can't fulfill an order after receiving it for whatever reason, be it that you've run out of stock or you got busy with the festivities, you can cancel the order without any worry. There will be no supplier cancellation penalty on your first 30 days. So what are you waiting for? Upload 7 catalogs. Request a callback from your dedicated catalog manager and sell without a worry about returns today. Only with Meesho Supplier Plus program. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel